Oh, look, I'm looking at the book right now. It says, it says you need this one. Just, oh. Where is, is it blue? I want it. But I legit, I think this, the other song I like it. It's in my house. But now, manifesting song, unless my friends are just saying I got your big girls. Girls. I think that's too much. Wait. I'll show you what it looks like. So I think I had that in it. Like these bowls. This puffles and stuff. That's what it looks like right now. Beaver. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is actually